Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our virtual conference. We're truly happy that you're here, and thank you for contributing for some time to attend our virtual conference this evening. Today, we're having a heartfelt and meaningful conversation about how computer technology shapes our lives and our future careers. And I'm joined by six wonderful panelists, smart, hardworking, and definitely familiar with the phrase, Sir, na ako'y concern sa laptop. Let's begin our conversation.
Ever since we entered Comtech, life has never been the same. Before, when something lagged, we panicked. Now, when something lagged, we just silently and say, okay. But honestly, computer technology really changed how we see the world. It makes us appreciate not only gadgets, but the people behind the gadgets.
True, and let's admit it, we've reached the point where our family think we can fix everything. Printer problem, call us. Wi-Fi problem, call us. Electric fan not turning on, still call us because apparently being contact means being an electrician too. But joke aside, our major teach us responsibility. It feels good knowing people trust us with their devices. Even if sometimes the only solution is to restart it.
I love what you said because behind those jokes, there's something meaningful. Computer technology made us stronger as individuals. We learn patience from waiting for codes to run. We learn resilience from dealing with error. And we learn teamwork from helping each other to survive the subjects. Some days were hard, but somehow we're still here, growing together.
You know what else Comtech taught us? That coffee is not a drink, it's a lifestyle. But seriously, our journey shaped us. It pushed us outside our comfort zone. It made us discover skill we never realized we had, like problem solving, troubleshooting, critical thinking, and pretending to understand instruction even when we don't yet. And those skills, those will guide us into the career we dream of someday.
Yes, and the future is exciting. The teach field is expanding faster than our deadlines, and this saying something. We're entering a world where IoT, cyber, cybersecurity, and digital system are essential. And it feels good knowing our major is not limiting us, it's opening doors. Any doors, actually, doors we never even knew existed. Doors did lead to opportunities to grow and to become the person we tend to be.
I just say, isn't it amazing how far we've come? I remember day one, we were confused, shy, and pretending we know the difference between hardware and software. Now look at us, still confused, sometimes yes, but stronger, wiser, and more capable. We're the future network admin, programmer, cybersecurity analyst, system, system technician, maybe even CEO who will one day tell their employees, start lang na, trust me.
And it's true. Computer technology didn't just teach us skills. It taught us growth, friendship, and character. We learned how to solve problems not just with computers, but in life. We learned how to communicate, how to cooperate, and how to trust each other's strengths. This major changed us. It shaped our journey, our identities, and our dreams.
And honestly, the most beautiful part, we didn't go through this journey alone. We had each other. We helped each other survive quizzes, deadlines, projects, and the occasional mental breakdowns over missing some code. We are here today because we work together, and that makes the path meaningful.
And soon, will just the next step. Imagine us in the future, working in big companies, developing software, design systems, security networks, or maybe fixing our neighbor's Wi-Fi for free. But wherever we end up, one thing is sure. We will bring our Comtech spirit with us, hardworking, resourceful, and full of determination.
I believe our major will take us far, not because it's easy, because it's not, but because it teaches us how to adopt, how to brave, and how to keep learning even when things get complicated. Computer technology shapes our future, not giving us shortcuts, but by teaching us persistence.
So let us continue dreaming. Let us continue believing in ourselves. Even when challenges come, let us continue supporting each other because this journey becomes lighter when shared.
One day, we will look back at the moment and say, this is where it all started. This conference, this conversation, this shared understanding that computers technology is not just a major. It is our stepping stone to a brighter future.
And remember, technology changes the world, but people like us who understand technology are the ones who let it that change. We are the future, and the future is in good hands, our hands.
With that, we officially conclude our virtual conference. Thank you for listening, laughing, reflecting, and feeling with us. Let us continue moving forward with confidence, passion, and purpose. This is only the beginning, and our future starts today. Once again, thank you for attending our conference, and goodbye.